Hi everyone, Lisa here. Just a quick video. This is my March calendar page, so my monthly calendar page, and I really can't believe that I'm doing March already. It does only feel 5 minutes ago. I was actually doing my December, my Christmas stuff, and here we are thinking about March already. It's crazy. So decided on a 2-page spread, which I don't do very often, but decided, you'll see from the colours that I use and the washi tape, decided to go big and bright for March. It's that turning point in the year, particularly here in the UK. You do get quite a change between the winter and the summer, so that springtime feel to this. So the pen I'm using for my lines is the Pigma Micron 08. It's quite a thick nib, but I like the lines to be quite prominent. You'll see as well from this, I've gone from a colour that I don't normally use, but to be honest, I think it's truly the only colour to be using for March time, and that's a yellow. I also found the most amazing washi tape, and the colour matches it perfectly, so, and you'll see that a little later on. So as I say, 2-page spread for me, which is unusual, but I was in the mood to fill the page this time round. So the pen I'm going in with now is the Pigma Graphic 1. It's quite a thick nib, but I really like it for bold lettering. And because the Pigma range is archival ink, within about 10 seconds it's dry enough. You have to be a little bit careful that the colour doesn't pull when you're colouring in, but it's what I found to be one of the best for drying and not pulling through as well. And you'll see that in a moment. So this is the colour that I'm using. It's Tombow 062. It's not a bright yellow, it's more of a muted yellow. I thought a bright yellow might be too much against the black. But a really nice yellow nonetheless. I must admit, I'd love to be able to draw, and probably would have gone in with daffodils. Here in the UK, it's this time of the year we start seeing daffodils coming through. But I had to rely on the washi, but you'll see in a minute that it is a lovely washi tape. So going in, taking a little bit of care, because obviously with a light colour against the black, you need to be careful that you don't pull that black pen through. But the Pigma range is brilliant for that. But just going in a little bit carefully to make sure that I don't pull any of the black across. And actually now realising why I don't use yellow more often. It's so bright, isn't it, that it can only lift your spirits. And just to mention as well that March is my birthday month, so hence another reason for going bold on this calendar page. And see how that splash of colour really changes the page. Now going in with the washi tape, and this washi tape I absolutely love. Little bees. And hopefully we can get to the point in the UK where we're being lifted from lockdown, so hopefully go back to being a busy bee in March. We'll see. So just going in with some goals, a space for goals at the bottom there. Really simple, 15 minutes start to finish. I hope you enjoyed it.